Kino sa sige pa so. Sin bisita. Metim bisita. Pensavano sta culminando Campanja di località. Ora la Aruba. Una sostegna località bira e tremendo temporada di Carnaval. A Campanja con una tapatin. Compra t-shirt ribarruta. A mi tapatin. Dus ma gaban di caminda. Tu ende con un t-shirt. Pergunta sempre tapatin. Fundación of King lo vai beneficiari sa aqui. Pero por me que nos vai com cos, lá que nos conversa com Luan na tarde. Luan conta.
Montari Brian com vai.
Vamos de caminho de nada, que mente. Arriba de tremendo ambiente.
Vou lá com uma enjoy de carnaval.
Como vai com a temporada para vos na mês de toda a rua?
Bom, é tanto temporada de druk. Maneira como nós anunciamos viajar passar com nossa bem, tá com nossa tem nos t-shirt campaign de carnaval e suma recordar eigenlijk dus door die eventen die t-shirt naar aqui lower do entregar na Mickey's Foundation. Conta que não conosco awe.
Correto.
Que não diz nós te dando a chance de introduzir na mesa também e explicar um pouquinho mais sobre a fundação.
Tremendo. Pessoal, trobe se de lo qual kuta e pergunta também for e t-shirt da hobby leuk, prijs da hobby bom também. Dus ba hobby ende kunne bisti, pero a trobe nada pundra pero Kiko te fundación of Kiko te lo cual te tudia saque. Me entienden digo porque anunciando también lo cual te suma o hacer generar pesaje.
Sí, correcto. Dus nós temos total de 900 mais ou menos t-shirt.
Ok.
Com nós temos total. De mês nós não queremos buscar demasiado roupa nem tampouco de menos.
Claro.
Por de vender mais, pero tampouco no paquete pegado que t-shirt não tampouco, mirando com nada marana Carnaval 70 toch wel.
Correcto.
Pero sim, uiteindelijk nós logra vender door het t-shirt ng aqui.
Wow.
E nós ranta a suma na suma bonita de 10,000 florin.
10,000 florin.
Sim, conosco entregar na fundação esse man aqui.
Wow, tremendo, Joran. 10,000 florin também em todo caso na Mickey's Foundation. Você está fazendo cerimônia cultural aqui na também, me te supone?
Sim, dus esse man aqui, organizamos blackjack. Organizamos, sim, nós estamos lá à frente e nós estamos invitando para a oficina e nós vamos entregar desse aqui oficialmente de mês. Los de transferencia con el lugar.
Claro. Wow, tremendo. Suena pa bien. E natuurlijk la Aruba trobe você contribuir em bom forma também. Nós com Massive também, tá outro uma brass band que publicamente também menciona também que é nota fácil para não por carga na mês de carnaval. E toda la Aruba sale na vanguardia de essa aqui, você sale na vanguardia de Assembleia, já com sale grupo de brass band também aí,
Sim, seguro que sim. Isso aí tá algo great também. Para nossa walk na temporada, nossa purba de, toch põe nos números. Aí não, mas que a mim não pode ganhar, é assim, hopi na post hopi que para social media mencionamos, mas hopi mesmo nós apreciar essa de na banda também. É tal colaboração hopi placentero e nós estamos seguros contentes que nós podemos contribuir na cultura de Aruba e engrandecer Carnaval.
Tremendo. Switching gears. Anya from Mickey's Foundation, so let's open her mic, of course. Anya, good afternoon. How you doing?
Good afternoon. Fine. How are you?
So Luan just announced that the total sum or the total amount of donations that you guys will receive will be 10,000 florins. So that's awesome, right?
It is amazing.
So let's give a big round of applause. Wow.
Masha donkey.
Awesome. So the big question on locals' mind is, who is Mickey Foundation, or what is Mickey Foundation?
Yeah, Mickey's Foundation is a foundation especially for children.
Okay.
With special needs.
Okay.
So, for example, children with brain damage.
Okay.
We help them with therapy. So I'm the physical therapist, and
Okay.
we have Martina, speech therapist, and we have Helga, the occupational therapist. So we work together and give therapy to these kids. We have now around 45 children who need therapy on the island. So that's a lot. And this year we exist 10 years already.
Wow.
So it's amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
10,000 in 10 years. That's amazing. It's like a coincidence, right?
Yeah, because in 2004 the parents of Mickey, they founded the foundation because they had a car accident on the island. It was very bad because Mickey, their son, has brain damage because of that. And they were searching to have a special rehabilitation for children, but it wasn't on the island. So they thought there are more children on the island who need special therapy. So let's make a foundation especially for these children.
Awesome. So how are these children, so how are you guys identifying these children? How did they come, how can you say it? Or how can you formulate it? So how are these children are being identified to come and to you guys in this case?
Yeah, most of the time because of I think the parents, they heard about Mickey's foundation, so they call the owner, or they email the owner, and so that's why they come to us.
The doctors?
Some doctors
know
about us.
Some doctors.
Move a little bit closer to the mic. Yes.
Some doctors know about the foundation, and Gijs, the dad of Mickey, he is doing a lot of PR to make awareness, and he is the one that gets the information and decides if the children are able to get the therapy.
So the doctors can refer these children to you as well? Oh, okay,
but
interesting.
We work for the parents. The therapy is for free, and every 3 months there are new therapists coming from the Netherlands, so they switch, and we had 62 different therapists already.
Yeah, a lot.
So that's the downside of it. It changes a
a
lot.
lot.
But that's the only way the foundation can provide it.
Oh,
So, there are a lot of people from the Netherlands who do this as a volunteer. We work in the Netherlands and we take time off to come here and give the therapy.
Oh, okay. So it's basically taking time off of your jobs to come and do. Oh, okay. Interesting. We have Martina that also does the speech part of the therapy, correct?
Yes, that's true. Yes, speech and also swallowing and eating and drinking difficulties. That's what I do together with the parents.
Okay, together with the parents.
Yeah, we also come at a lot of homes of the children. We drive to their the place they live, so we have a lot of contact with the parents, and I think that's a good thing. So we can teach them how to do all those things and how to make the children speak better, or to swallow better, or to eat better, or in case of the physiotherapist to move better. So there's a lot of cooperation with the parents. It's not that we come to the island and say, that we only practice, but there's a big role for the parents also. Yeah. Interesting.
Because there are many cases of younger children that they have speech problems, and as you just mentioned, swallowing problems as well. So it is something to bring awareness to. So you guys do this type of therapy as well. Yes.
And you can only learn if you do it over and over and over again.
Of course.
You have to repeat it a lot. It's very important for these children that not only with us they practice, but they practice in school and they practice at home. So that's where we do our therapy. We don't have a practice. We go to the houses or to the schools or to the daycare.
Interesting.
And that's where we work with the children.
Okay, wow. So aside of the project that Total Finance did for you guys, is there any activities or projects that you guys do to raise funds as well, or how does this work?
At this time, we don't do it ourselves, but Gijs was here, the founder, in October, and he goes to different places. I think Rio, the hotel, is a big sponsor, because he doesn't get any funding from Aruba. It's all
from donations,
private donations. We get our cars from Hertz. They sponsor the cars, and he needs money to let us stay somewhere.
Of course.
Get a small fee for internet and benzine.
As a foundation which in my opinion, has such a important impact and such an important task for the whole society. I think it's time to get some type of backing, if it's from more private funding or even the government funding. If the government is listening, hey, escucha bong gobierno, escucha bong rato.
What would be the nice thing is if Aruba provides the therapy for children by itself. That would be our ultimate goal.
Of course.
To have the right therapy here. And there's one physical therapy that did a master in children's physical therapy, but she doesn't have a contract yet. So if they are listening, please.
Yes, please, because it is still a very, very, very important subject. If there's anyone that wants to donate privately, if we have any other private companies right now, how can they reach you guys?
MickeyFoundation.com.
Yeah, we have a Facebook. And
on Facebook you can contact us, you can contact Gijs, there's an email address, it's really low profile, just send an email and you can talk to Gijs and make a donation if you want.
Awesome, cool.
Yes,
well, our doors are open, so if there's any projects, any announcements that you guys want to make, Cool FM's doors are open for you guys. So if there's any activities that you guys are doing, any projects, you just let me know, and we can arrange interviews, we can arrange promos, because this is something very important for our community, and I'm pretty sure about that.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you very much.
Yes.
I'll let you know.
Awesome. Switching gears again, like ano switch rato na papiamento pa Luen Zuiver lo qual ko bosananta sino tambe e ko awara kinang ke suma di 10,000 florin bosanang ajuda em todo caso lo qual ko ta fundação assim. Kiko ta next pa toda la Aruba mes.
Bom, das ja agora que oficialmente Carnaval passa.
Yes.
Nós seguimos para nós.
Vamos que mais é claro.
Nós seguimos para nós seguinte campanha de mês, que é dependente, mas nós sempre depende de nós social media, nós tem de mês temporada de acampamento chegando, Easter, dus nós tem algo planear para esse aí, para nós digo que é dependente, para você escutar aqui que esse aí lotar, que a minha comunica está trabajando hopi duro libesei que men
sí, Mónica también es un cosa que genera contenido tremendo no atrobe pa bien pa un tremendo temporada seguro você tem like and share campaigns também durante a temporada você tem lo qual de campanha de t-shirt que também com a respondi positivamente e também massive seguro com a Sadi saca você cara durante de carnaval nós pendiente para acampamento passou aqui nada você em casa também para nós conversar de você campanha
seguro que sim danke me quero tomar um momento também para bisa danke na o pueblo de Aruba com a aportar door die bingse que nós comprar t-shirt para sobre hacienda essa aqui de mês não juist mas ajuda nós pero eigenlijk ajuda fundação como mestre de fundo não para por ajuda muito não tem necessidade que menos a essa é algo hobby create nós a mi mês também a canarant hobby e minha hopi gente põe portrait que também a gente usa de t-shirt não dus sei também para nós hoje outra hopi leuk para wak pero também nós saco mirando que a gente não tem t-shirt vestir com não sa também com na aportar na bom causa
tremendo Luis tremendo anything else que você agregar na entrevista like não só
não, me quero que quede pendiente.
Quede pendiente, sí.
Sí, nos tem mais campanha na caminho.
Eso. Masha, thank you for joining us as always. All the best com mais campanha que você tem na caminho.